Hello world and welcome. Today I'm gonna show you the two things at the same time. The first one is gonna be the automatic wire stripper, and the second one is actually the electric wire. So let's open this up first. So I bought this from the Amazon. So I got those for like 13 bucks with the free shipping for the Prime members. And I checked out on the Walmart. They actually have it looks the same, but the same thing at the 11 something. So it's your choice to make a decision to buy on the Walmart or purchase this on Amazon. It's just a few dollars different. And I also got this from the Amazon. It was $17, I think. So this is actual electric wire. The good thing about this is it has 5 colors inside. So let me open this up, show you. All right, the blue, black, green, red, yellow. So if you ask me, do I need that much color? I might not, but I just got it because I want to. So I'm gonna test out this automatic stripper, and I'm gonna tell you about what kind of electric wire you have to get for your own project. So let's test this out first. So just grab any kind of wire. So this is very good to test on this to check if this works properly. So just put the wire between this and then you push it this way. The top two things will grab onto the wire, and then this will open this up. And do you see this? This just open. No wire cutting. This is a pretty thin wire, but this automatic one didn't cut any wires. Just strip the rubbers outside. So so let me clear this out. Okay, so it works fine. It works how it should work. So I stripped out this long and everything's great. Everything's working as I expected. So let me tell you a little bit about the electric wires, which wires you should get for your own project. Alright, so we are into my computer right now. So I got this wire, electric wire from the Amazon. So this, I got the 26 gauge electric wire. So it was on the $18. And if you get in there, you can see there are a bunch of different gauges here, 18 to 30. So you have to verify which gauge wire you have to get. So if you go to Google and just type electric wire gauge amp, then on the second one here, then you can see all the chart about which gauge wire can handle how many amperage. So for example, 30 gauge wire can handle maximum ample wiring 0.86 amp, and then the one I get is 26, and the 26 can handle 2.2 amp. So usually this can the voltage, it doesn't really matter what kind of wire you can get, but depends on the thickness of the wire, the amperage changes. So 2.2 is just right gauge for me. I need the maximum amp of about 2 at the 14 volts, 13 volts maybe. I'm gonna use this on my car. I'm not gonna use this wire for the main wiring. I'm just gonna use this wire for the electricity, the power wire. So 2.2 amperage is gonna be enough. So if you wanna wire some like your amp, things like that, you definitely wanna go to the thick wire, and which means lower gauge. So usually people get like 1 or 2 gauge for the like audio wiring. So it can handle up to 200, 245, amperage. So just you have to know how many watts your device use. My device use up to 15 watts, so it's gonna be enough for me. But depends on what's your device and what's the voltage you want to use. You can choose which gauge wire you have to use, and of course always give some like room, so the wire, make sure the wire is not maxed up to the 2.2 amp. So maybe I'm gonna use, I'm not even gonna use up to like 2 amp. Maybe 1.2 1.3 amp is gonna be enough for me. So maybe 28 gauge is enough, but just for the safety reasons, because you are dealing with the electricity, I just bought this 26 gauge. Thank you for watching. If you think my video is helpful, please consider subscribing and please thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.